Hello everyone, and in this lecture I'll be showing you how to install the Gridsome CLI, so then we're going to be able to create our Gridsome project. So how you do that is I'm on the Gridsome documentation right here, and you just have to put in this command right here if you want to install it using npm, which is shipped with Node.js, or you can use yarn. So to use npm, you just have to enter in this command. So I've already copied that, so I'm going to go into my terminal, and I'm just going to paste that in. And then once I run this, it should install the Gridsome CLI. So this will allow us to create our project using terminal. Okay, so now that's installed, we're going to be able to open up and create our project. So how you do that is you do Gridsome, create, and then you name the project. So I'm in my desktop right now, so I'm going to do Gridsome, create, and then we're going to say portfolio dash and blog. And then I'm just going to hit enter. And you can see it's cloning a repository for GitHub. And then we're going to have the boilerplate for Gridsome. So we're going to be able to learn how to use Gridsome to create our blog and portfolio. And it's all statically generated. So then the search engines and everything will be able to see our website way easier with all of the content inside of it. Okay, so now that's done, all we have to do is open up that directory. So I'm going to do the cd portfolio dash and blog, and then I'll open it up. And then we're going to do code dot, and then I'll open it up in VS Code, which is my editor right now. And then I'm just going to do Gridsome develop. And we're going to start our server for Gridsome. So we're going to see the boilerplate that we just installed. It's going to take a little bit to set everything up. And while we're waiting, you can see all of our directory structure. So all of the stuff that we're basically going to be editing is going to be inside of this source. If you've ever used a framework similar to nuxt.js or any other static site generators that use Vue.js, then you'd probably remember all of these folders and everything that is inside of them. So to open up our website, all we have to do is go to localhost 8080. That is, if it's not taken up on your computer right now. So I'm just going to go to localhost 8080. I'm going to exit full screen right now. I'm just going to open up localhost port 8080. And you can see it opens up the Gridsome boilerplate. So now we're going to be editing this in the next lectures to create our blog and portfolio. See ya.